Today we're going to focus on study strategies to help you focus while studying. First things first is you have to choose a location. If you're someone who gets distracted easily, I'd choose one of these locations. If you're someone who needs other people around you to keep you accountable and background noise, I'd choose one of these locations. Or if you're someone who needs to collaborate with your peers in order to stay focused, I'd recommend one of these locations. Okay, you've chosen your spot and now it's time to get started. I'd recommend by making a plan, but I wouldn't spend more than 5 minutes on your plan, or else you're probably procrastinating. Your plan should look something like this. You've made your plan and now you're struggling to get started. I'd recommend the 5-minute method. If after 5 minutes you still can't focus, I'd recommend taking a short walk or considering finding another place to help you focus the rest of the day. You've been focusing for a while and now you're finding your attention is wandering. This might be a good time to take a break. Some students can go half an hour to an hour and other students really can only go 15 to 20 minutes. Depending on how long you've been studying is a reflectant of how long your break should be. The longer you study, the longer your break should be. Your break should be doing something productive. Not schoolwork, but something that doesn't involve going on your phone. That would be talking to friends, going for a walk, looking for a different study location. Whatever you do, you should not be spending your break on your phone. That's going to decrease focus and make it harder to get back to it once you're done with your break. Okay, you've tried all of it. You've gotten started, you're taking breaks when you can't focus, but you're still not really being productive. If you're someone who fidgets a lot while you work, I'd recommend something like a fidget spinner or a fidget cube, or you can even just get like a hair clip that you can play with, or a pen that clicks silently. Another option is changing the chair you're working in. I really like chairs that spin because you can spin while you work. You could also use this tool and hang your feet off of it, or I know some students use exercise balls while they're studying. What do you do if you're not fidgety, you're just bored while you're studying? Try mixing it up. Some students do a lot better if they work together. They do 15 minutes of quiet review time and then they teach the material to their partner. You can do flashcards or practice problems. My method of studying to stay focused is I make a review sheet and then every few minutes I go for a walk. And on my walk, I try to recall everything on my review sheet and go back over whatever I'm missing. If you're still struggling to focus, make sure you've had enough to eat, enough to drink, and enough sleep the night before. You should be focusing on these things to help you study better in the long run.